So if you guys can see, Crypto is wearing the collar, and we have it here. It's nice and fit. It's right here. We can control it from this control. You have access to control it here. You have a couple options you should be aware. Like I said, you got the vibrating, you got the noise, and then you got the shock. Today we're going to bring a dog collar trainer, and this has different channels, different frequencies, and different pulse and actually range of how much power you want to send out. Now it has a couple buttons you should be aware. Let's take a look at them, and let's take a look at everything that's included. They give you a tester, the prongs that actually go behind the actual system, charging station, and so you won't lose the control. You could put this in your wristband, and then included the instructions. So let's take a look at all this and see how it works. Right, so they have two different kind of prongs. They have short for short-haired dogs, and then they have these long ones, and it comes with rubber ends too, so you won't shock yourself by accident. Now we're gonna send the shock right now. If you guys can see it, there's a light that indicates that there's voltage in there. On the system itself, it tells you the battery charge. All right, the level that we have it on 3, and then we have 3 different options. We have vibrate, if you guys can see it, vibrating option. You got the shock option that I just demonstrated, and then you got the beeping sound. Now on the other side, this is very clever. If you guys can see, there's a little LED light that flashes, but if you can't see your dog at night, you have a button here that tells you a little light indicating it turns on LED light, so you can see them at night. Now the other one is a channel. You could actually change the different frequencies, different channels. If you have multiple dogs, if you have multiple collars, you could have you could control it with one system itself. Now the actual control itself has an on and off button here on the side. You just turn it off by sliding down. I vibrate, and look at him. He knows it's a collar. So if he's not behaving, look, be quiet or I'm gonna shock you. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Good boy.